This majestic art has now touched new heights, and who else besides Dr. P.C. Lunia of Jaipur could undertake this mammoth endeavor?
When I saw the Baroda pearl carpet in New York, I was so much mesmerized and amazed by its beauty that then and there I got inspiration to make a Pink City pearl carpet with real emeralds, rubies, and sapphire.
Dr. P.C. Lunia is the descendant of the royal family of Multan who moved to Jaipur around 150 years ago. Jaipur, the world-renowned Pink City, famous for its rich heritage and unique architecture, is also a prominent business center for precious and semi-precious stones. The stunningly beautiful rainbow sapphire necklace and the 6 feet tall gemstone chandelier, studded with 37,000 carats of rubies, emeralds, sapphires, and diamonds, reflect the creative expertise and passion for excellence of Dr. P.C. Lunia. To give a new dimension to the traditional ornamental carpet, the first major hurdle was the fusion of the exquisite Zardozi work of Agra with the dazzling Kundan work of Jaipur. This was made possible by assembling a team of skilled artisans from Agra and Jaipur. The Baroda carpet, commissioned almost 150 years ago by the King of Baroda, Khande Rao Gaikwad, and recently auctioned for $5.4 million, inspired the basic design of the Pink City jewel carpet. Lot of innovations were made to create an exceptionally mesmerizing artifact. Precious stones such as emeralds, rubies, and sapphires, weighing around 57,000 carats, have been used in the paisley design of the Pink City jewel carpet. Procurement of such large numbers of gemstones in specific shapes, sizes, and colors to maintain the symmetry of the pattern was an arduous task. They were resourced from the various corners of the world. Emeralds from Zambia, cut sapphires from Kashmir, rubies from Burma, natural pearls from Basra, yellow sapphires and blue sapphires from Sri Lanka, sapphires from Madagascar, diamonds from South Africa. Proper certifications were obtained for the authenticity of the gemstones used in the carpet. The base of the Pink City jewel carpet was made of intricate hand embroidery using satin thread on pure silk fabric in pink color. This color symbolizes youth, vigor, vitality, and romance, and exudes a sense of vibrant peace. A highly proficient and committed team of jewel experts from Jaipur, under the able supervision and expert guidance of Miss Ratna Lunia, handled the sorting, cutting, and setting of the precious gemstones. There are 4 border lines surrounding the carpet, consisting of 4,814 gemstones weighing 8,900 carats. There are 28 large flowers and 26 small flowers made of rubies, emeralds, and sapphires, with rose-cut diamonds in the border of the carpet, weighing 3,097 carats. 1,820 pieces of natural Basra pearls are surrounding 28 large flowers. 240 flowers are in the inner border of the carpet. In these intricate and charming paisley designs, 33,168 pieces of precious gemstones weighing 9,643 carats have been used in the bead lines. 7,412 pieces of gemstones are used in the middle of the carpet. Special Mughal carving technique was used to give petals and leaves their respective shapes. 6 pendants in 18-karat gold, studded with Kashmir sapphires and Burma rubies, have been set in the Pink City jewel carpet. There are bead lines in the middle of the carpet consisting of 33,168 colored sapphires, 1,820 pieces of Basra pearls, one of the most expensive variety of natural pearls existing on the earth, have been used to outline the 448 pieces of Burma rubies in the center of the carpet. 83 rose-cut diamonds and 59 cut diamonds are set on the precious gemstones with the famous Kundan setting in 24-carat pure gold. The piece de resistance of the Pink City jewel carpet is the stunningly large 655-carat blue sapphire set with 7 rose-cut diamonds in the center of the carpet. On both its sides, there are 2 large rubies weighing 298 carat and 147.86 carat each. The 5 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 4 inch carpet is mounted on a one-of-its-kind solid wood frame embedded with 24 carat gold leaves. The precious gemstones woven in paisley patterns on the carpet represent the major planets of astrology. Planet Mercury is represented by emerald, which provides peace and tranquility. Sun is represented by ruby, which bestows prosperity. Blue sapphire represents Saturn, which wards off evil spirits. Yellow sapphire represents Jupiter, which brings wisdom. Moon is represented by the pearl, which blesses the family with goodwill. Planet Venus is represented by the diamond, which brings good fortune and fame. The cumulative effect of these awe-inspiring 55,724 pieces of precious gemstones in 56,910 carats is that it bestows good health, wealth, fortune, and wisdom to the owner. The formidable journey of love and labor has created a captivating and unparalleled object d'art, which enchants the onlooker with its ethereal radiance. The glorious hues and colors of the dazzling gems manifest a rare symphony to be treasured by art connoisseurs for ages to come.